You must be in a search of New Year wishes to wish a happy New Year to your special person in your life. For me, I don't have only one special person in my life. I have some people, and those special people are our teachers. Yes, our teachers. Our teacher is like a candle for us, especially for me, because they show us the right path of life and come like a light in darkness. Every teacher have only one desire in their life, and that is to see their student more succeed in life more than themselves, and that I will never forget. Hope your new year is as wonderful as you are. May your new year filled with nothing but happiness. Warm wishes for your new year. Goodbye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Saddam Hussain, students of 6th semester, Group 4, ISM IUK. I would like to express my gratitude and respect towards my teachers and administration staff of ISM IUK for being my pillars of strength and a symbol of integrity and characters. Wish you and your family a very happy new year.
Assalamu alaikum. Salamat sizbe. Urmattu çegiş el aralı medicinaluk fakultetin ağa iceleri. Sizlerdi klip jatkan can nazar menen kutuktayım. Sizlerge Çindin soluk uzun umur arbir i bulugu baqat halayım. Sizlerdi terin urmattu menen el aralı universitetinin student khan ihtişamı var. Rahmat.
Ma'am, how are you? I am Musab from Group 14 at semester. Today I am wishing you a happy new year. Ma'am, you are our teacher, you are our second parents, you are our friend, you are our confidence, and you are our house of power. Ma'am, thank you for all that you have done for me in this year. Always be happy, stay happy, stay blessed, and always remember me in your prayers. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
We are making
This video
to appreciate
the efforts of our respective teachers.
good teacher.
like a candle.
It consumes itself.
Light the way for others.
Thanks Abdullah Nazareen Akal Bikova ma'am for your support.
Thanks for your cooperation, Louisa ma'am.
Thank you for your kindness, Sir Allama.
Thank you for your help, Guljar ma'am.
Thanks for your time, Mama.
For your help, Sir Ahmed.
Thanks for your love, Sir Khurrum Aziz.
You A.
Very happy new year.
Thank you so much. Dasvidania.
Teachers who love teaching teaches children love learning. My name is Mukarram Muaz. I am from Group 13, Semester 6. At the end of this year, I want to pay tribute and show my affection to all my teachers. In this situation of pandemic, I hope my video message will give you a heartwarming message from my side to you. I would like to start my message from a famous quote from a famous writer, Aristotle. He said, "Those who educate children well are more to be honored than the parents." Teachers are the most important pillars of our society because they not only deliver the knowledge, but they educate the society. They make the society. And I want to thank you and salute all my teachers that you inspired me to achieve my dreams and achieve my goals. And most importantly, you inspired me to be like you. Teachers are the most respectful person of our society because they worked really hard to deliver the best of their knowledge to us. And I want to mention some names here, but I could not cover all, so I want to pay tribute to all my teachers. New Year is also coming. I want to wish all my teachers and all my colleagues a very happy New Year. The bad news is that time flies, but the good news is that we are the pilot. So be motivated for the new year, and I wish that this year would be the best year of your life. Thank you.
We never praise them
For their services.
Who unlocked our passion.
during lockdown,
Our teachers
reaching out to their students.
inspiring hard work remotely.
watch these unsung heroes of the crisis.
We hope that the new year brings you
abundance of happiness and prosperity.
In the same way
as your teachings
have brought them
in my life.
Thank you for your kindness. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your love.
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your support.
Thank you for your cooperation.
Thank you for your patience.
Wish you a happy new year.
Hello everyone, my name is Nima Riaz. I am from 2nd semester and I am group 14 leader.
Assalamu alaikum to everyone. It's me Qasim Muhammad, group leader 13. Today we want to congratulate our respected Ma'am Gulmira Dr. Leva. They say we should recognize the things that the people do for us and appreciate them before it's too late. So today we are here to thank you for all that you did and are still doing for us.
Because you have been such a wonderful teacher, so you are at the top of our New Year's wish list. Wishing the happiest New Year to the best teacher the world has ever known. I hope that the New Year brings everything what your heart deserves.
May the New Year see you in good health with plenty of happiness. Happy New Year to my favorite teacher. May this year bring you with the abundance of happiness and prosperity as the way you teaches us.
We are really blessed to have a teacher like you and hope to see you again next year. I hope this year is as wonderful as you are.
Some teachers will be always remembered for being their best. We appreciate your positive spirit and hard work. Teachers are usually remembered for their love and giving spirit. We all acknowledge that your fine effort.
Being the teacher can be a challenge, but you are always there to take it on. So thank you for everything you have done for us. Thank you for existing. Thank you for not giving up on us. May God bless you with everything you deserve and desires. Hope the best New Year is coming your way. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Maha Daud and I am 5th semester student of IUK ISM. Everyone knows about this pandemic year, the worst year we have ever faced, as it was very tough to spend time in this pandemic socially alone in quarantine. It was more difficult being a medical student to study and manage our life in quarantine mode. We want to pay a wholehearted thanks to our institution and respected teacher, the way they managed to teach us even during this pandemic in the same manner like in traditional mode. By waking up and getting ready at 8 a.m. for attending online classes, we never forget that for what we are this time, that we have to wake up and study hard and be a quality doctor. A doctor which can save the life of people in frontline battle even in the condition of deadly pandemic. Thanks to our institution and teacher, because of them, we can continue to study without any problem. Wishing everyone a very happy 2021.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Shahrukh Altamjid Saqib from Group 15 5th semester. First of all, I want to thank all of my teachers who shows us the path to the human serving. We can't even imagine a world without teacher. It would be a whole lot dumber, and that's for sure. But teachers do so much more than they teach. They encourage us, they guide us, they inspire us. And we remember our favorite ones for the rest of our lives. When a lack of confidence and the courage to walk on the road to success, the teacher shows us the path to be confident and a brave person to help us to realize our dream and fulfill our aspiration. We hope to get more confidence from our teachers in the years ahead. When we felt like we are falling, teachers help us to be successful. Thank you to all the teachers for directing us in the right path, for telling us what is good and what is bad. We promise to put in practice all what you have taught us in the following years. Our teachers' positive attitude is so contagious, and for that we study at home in good mood every day. Our teachers is so much more than just a teacher. Our teachers are a mentor, a friend, and we will take our teachers' lesson wherever we go. We would like to thank you for believing in us. You showed us how capable we are achieving great things. We will always be grateful to have had all our best parents as a teacher. I want to thank all of my ISM IUK teachers to make our medical path easy and to make our medical study superb and so much smooth.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Tehzeeb Fatima, studying in 5th semester of IUK ISM. I am here to talk about my favorite teacher. Teachers are the one who can pull out individuals from the darkness of ignorance into the light of knowledge. Every student at some point in their life have had a teacher whom they look up and admire them. No doubt, all of my teachers are learned person. But Cholpan Ashirava ma'am is the ma'am I like the most. She teaches us path physiology. She is good looking, nice woman and well qualified. Her friendly approach is very much liked by everyone in the class. Her method of teaching is different from others. She is very kind to me and clear all of my doubts whenever I ask questions in her classes. She is the one who made the mind of the student and set their sail in the right direction. In short, I like her very much. Thank you, ma'am, for being so.
My favorite teacher name is Oraimo Elaman Toktabolotovich. He teaches us path anatomy. He is my favorite because of his way of teaching. He knows how to engage the students during class. He keeps the student very relaxed and conveys the lecture in very easy way. Student loves and enjoy his class so much. Thanks for teaching us, sir.
Every teacher of IUK ISM is very hardworking and highly cooperative. But my favorite teacher name is Adilat sir. He teaches us anatomy. He is highly mastered in his subject. He teaches us all aspects of anatomy in a very easy format that even in online classes would never felt any type of difficulty in learning and memorizing anatomy. He knows how to engage the students and keep them active during class. He gives chance to every student and try hard to clear their problems. He never get offended even if students ask him questions repeatedly. He keeps the environment of class very relaxing and joyful yet very informative. He believed on conceptual study. He tells the concepts of each and everything very clearly to students, and students love to attend his class. Thanks for teaching us, sir.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Johan Muhammad Amir, studying in 5th semester and a proud IUK ISM student. My goal for 2021 is to study harder and to not repeat my mistake what I made in previous year, and to value my social time in university with my teachers and fellows. As now we have known the value of traditional studies after being in lockdown and by studying whole year online. Inshallah, we will achieve what my teacher and parents expect from us. We will rise together, shine together, and will inshallah make our parents and institute proud.
Here's to a bright new year and a fond farewell to the old. Here's to the things that are yet to come and to the memories that we hold. I hope all your endeavors in 2021 are successful. Wave goodbye to the old and embrace the full of hope, dreams and ambitions. Wishing for a year filled with laughter, success and peace, my dear colleagues. May God bless each and every one of our ISM IUK family. May the 12 months of the new year be full of achievement for us. Thank you to all of my teachers for directing me to the right path, for telling me what is good and what is bad. I promise to put in practice all what you have taught me this year. Fresh hopes, fresh plans, fresh efforts, fresh feelings and fresh commitment. Let's welcome a new year with fresh attitude. Wishing you a very happy new year to the one who adds sunshine to our ISM IUK family. May 2021 be an extraordinary one. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Saim SM Kausar Ahmed, Group 15, 5th semester. Let's make a restart in our life. Delete all the bad things of the past and let new beautiful moments be born. My beloved educators, I wish you a bright and happy new year.
Wishing you a very happy new year to all the members of our ISM IUK family. May 2021 be the extraordinary one. Wishing you healthy, wealthy, and happiness in the new year ahead.
I am wishing everyone a happy, healthy, and prosperous Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, everyone. Wasek Novam Godam.
Assalamu alaikum, my all teacher. New Year is new hope, new challenge, new opportunity, new lesson. New Year is like a festival which is celebrated with great joy. You have to guide us like ever burning light. Happy New Year, my all teacher.
Здравствуйте, меня зовут Ахмед. Я учусь в 5 семестра ISM IUK. Мой дорогой сэр и учителя, я желаю, чтобы этот Новый год дал вам достаточно причин для счастья. А у вас будет бесчисленного количества дней, наполненных радостью и веселым Новым годом 2021. Спасибо.